Big tech stocks weighing on the markets today over concerns about spending on AI. It comes ahead of Apple, which is lower ahead of its earnings report after the bell. The result will include 2 weeks of iPhone 16 sales, with investors looking for clues whether its AI efforts fuel the much hyped up iPhone supercycle. Joining us now for more, Toni Sacconaghi, senior research analyst of U.S. IT hardware at Bernstein. You know, I've got a little sister who I think spends money on crazy stuff. She's already gone out and bought the brand new iPhone because of the AI software and says she loves it. But you said that this is, I was reading through some of your notes, you don't really think much that it's going to drive this cycle or drive earnings right now. Why?
Good afternoon, Contessa. So that is really the big question is, will Apple Intelligence functionality in the phones drive a strong cycle? And, you know, to date, the Apple Intelligence is very modest, and it will be rolled out over the remainder of this year and well into next year. So some of the highlight features of Apple Intelligence, like an enhanced and more conversational Siri or integration with ChatGPT, those aren't available. They won't be available till the end of November. The functionality won't be available in languages beyond US English till next year. Integration with third-party apps may not happen until the middle of next year. And so, you know, I think many consumers are still waiting for when, you know, really impactful Apple Intelligence functionality is going to be delivered.
Did the hype machine get ahead of Apple's ability to deliver? And I don't lay that on Apple's doorstep necessarily. I think we in the media may be guilty of it. I think people in the investment community may be guilty of it, of creating this hype machine around this new product that Apple was going to come out with. So the simple question is, did the hype get ahead of the ability to deliver the product?
Well, it's a great question, Tyler. And you know, Apple was uncharacteristic in talking about a lot of things that were going to come in the future. This is a company that typically is very secretive, loves the element of surprise, and typically doesn't talk about anything until it's available. Occasionally, they'll debut features that will be available over the next month or so in software. But it was different this year. They had, at their Worldwide Developers Conference, they talked about Apple Intelligence functionality that wouldn't be ready until the middle of next year. And so to some degree, I think, you know, Apple's at fault because it talked about what is to come. And, you know, consumers and people who watch this space, you know, probably looked on the bright side and said, wow, all this great stuff is coming. But the reality is it's going to evolve over time. And so that may impact the pace at which we have iPhone sales. And I think one of the big questions for tonight is, you know, is there any evidence that this might be, you know, a more back-end loaded year? Does Apple anticipate, or has it seen anything? The first release just was a couple days ago, so they may not be able to tell. But does Apple anticipate that as they roll out more features, they think there'll be, you know, a meaningful uptake?